early this morning.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, clouds high over the rainbow makes all your dreams come true. Ooh, someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, oh why can't I see trees of green and red roses too? I'll watch them bloom just for me and you, and I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the brightness of day, the dark say goodnight, and I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how's it, how are you? They really sing, I love you. Well, I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll ever know, and I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself,